In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website without coding with Lovable. If you've never built a site before, don't worry. Lovable uses AI to handle the heavy lifting. You'll describe what you want, see a draft site appear in seconds, then tune it until it's ready to share. Here's how we'll do it from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to your Lovable dashboard at lovable.dev. This is your home base where you'll create, review, and manage your projects. On the dashboard, look for the Ask Lovable button. This is the AI assistant that kickstarts your website. Click it to open a prompt box. In the prompt, explain the site you're trying to build. Be specific about the purpose, the audience, and the style. For example, mention the type of business or project, the vibe you're going for, clean and modern, playful or professional, and the sections you need like a hero, about, services, testimonials, and a contact area. Include key details such as your location or service area, your primary call to action, and any brand colors you want to see. The clearer your request, the closer the first draft will be to your vision. When your prompt looks good, press enter to submit. Lovable will generate a complete starter site for you. Give it a moment, then scroll through the result. You'll see real copy, layout, and styling that match your description, along with placeholder areas you can customize. Next, make your edits directly on the page. Update headlines to reflect your unique value, refine body text so it's concise and helpful, and replace generic images with ones that represent your brand. Adjust colors and typography to match your look, and reorder or remove sections you don't need. Keep an eye on readability, spacing, and contrast. If the editor offers device previews, quickly check how things look on mobile and tablets so your site feels great everywhere. Once everything looks and reads the way you want, click Publish. Lovable will package your changes and put the site live at a shareable URL. You can come back anytime to revise content, tweak design choices, and publish again. No code required. That's the full flow. Open the dashboard, ask Lovable, craft a clear prompt, submit, refine right on the page, and publish when you're happy. Let's build something you're proud to share. If you ever get stuck, revisit your prompt to clarify goals, regenerate, and iterate. The process is fast and forgiving.